Well, good morning, everybody. Today is a beautiful sunny day so far. Roy says it's 10% chance rain, so we're going to go ahead and start trying to get the painting done. So we need to get that paint on the house before winter hits, just to protect the siding that we put up there. Anyway, this is where I'm going to start, and possibly I should start in the front, but this is the shadiest side of the house, and I would like to get it to dry. So I might be making a mistake, but I'm going to try to start painting here. And Roy, I don't know if he's going to paint too or if he's going to work a little bit in the house. We'll see. I haven't talked to him yet. Anyway, right now it's 56 degrees, I think it is, but it's going to warm up fast, let me tell you. So anyway, let's get at her. So the normal plan on painting the house, you don't want the sun on the house while you're painting, at least the side you're painting on. But it's cool enough outside, and it's supposed to be kind of cloudy too, so I'm not too worried. I am getting this side done first because it gets very little sun, and hoping it'll dry in enough time. Also, when you're painting a house, you can do a lot of overlapping, which we're going to try to not do, because you can tell it in the paint. Maybe it'll go away when you do your second coat, but what we're trying to do is paint the full board all the way across. Here we have the windows, so it makes it a little bit easier to do. You can see Roy, he wasn't doing it, but he didn't know the plan. Anyway, after I told him what our better plan would be, he started doing the same thing, trying to go back and forth on each board. Now when you're up on a ladder, when you have a high place to do it, I wouldn't worry about it. Just get it done for what you can reach and move the ladder. It's nice having both of us paint, because Roy's painting one half and I'm painting the other, and so we're staying on the same board. If I'm falling behind, he keeps painting until he catches up to me, or vice versa. It's nice when you can get out that ladder and start painting from the ground. You have a lot more movement back and forth compared to stretching, trying to reach where you're at. Roy went to get the tall ladder so I can start working on the other side in that peak, and he's going to finish where I left off. I'm not a professional by far, but there are some things that you paint, such as the house paint. You paint things to make them disappear, such as that corner over by where Roy is, the inside corner. You don't want all the trim to stand out, but you do want the trim to stand out as far as I'm concerned, such as the outside corners. Here we were going to cover the porch with the Hardiplank siding, but we didn't quite have time, and there's a chance that we might leave this, I think it's 4-inch T111, the 4-inch grooves. It's heck to paint, takes forever, but I'm painting it to make it kind of match the house for now. Like I say, we're kind of getting done for the winter, for the summer, because we can't do this through the winter. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get it painted. It takes forever, but this 4-inch groove 2 and 11 actually doesn't look bad. We do need to put trim around the windows, but there again, there's always next summer, right? Roy's going to go ahead and finish up this side, or I should say the front here. I need to paint on the other side of the porch, and then together we'll paint the what we'll call the dining room, kitchen, or dinette kitchen area. Everybody's out mowing their lawn, including Dad, neighbor. Roy mowed his yesterday. I haven't touched mine. Anyway, we got the paint done. We don't have the trim color on. And the reason why is, as you can see, the sky was looking like it's getting ready to cut loose almost any time. So anyway, we're done for the day. It took us, I think it's a 4 o'clock right now, and we started at 9. So you do the math. We did it with a brush, mainly so we get the first coat on good and thick, we'll say. And we're not going to do any more painting on the house this year. Have to wait till next year because the weather's just not permitting. But our next coat we put on here, as far as I know, will be the sprayer. The sprayer will give it that second coat, and we don't have to worry so much about getting every spot. So anyway, thanks for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe, and we shall see you later.